Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to compare two awesome Sony cameras, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Sony Alpha 7 IV. We'll evaluate these cameras in various categories to help you decide which one might be the best fit for you. As always, don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts down below, and subscribe to our channel for more camera reviews and comparisons. Let's get started. When it comes to the sensor, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 features a large 24.2 MP APS-C XMOR CMOS sensor. It's paired with a fast Bions X processor for excellent image quality and performance. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 7 IV takes it up to the next level with a 3.3 MP full-frame XMOR R back illuminated CMOS sensor. This sensor delivers exceptional low-light performance and detailed images thanks to its larger size and back illumination technology. In terms of video capability, both cameras excel. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 offers 4K movie oversampled from 6K, allowing for incredibly sharp footage with no pixel binning. It also has a product showcase setting that smoothly transitions the focus from face to object, perfect for vloggers and product reviewers. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 7 IV takes it even further with up to 4K 60p 10-bit 4:2 recording and impressive 7K oversampling for stunning details and rich colors. It also features Cinetone color profile for beautiful color expression straight out of the camera. Let's talk about the price. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 comes in at around $798, offering fantastic value for its features and performance. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 7 IV is priced at approximately $2,499. While it's definitely on the higher end, it boasts advanced technologies and capabilities suitable for professional photographers and filmmakers. And there you have it. We've compared the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Sony Alpha 7 IV in terms of sensor, video capability, and price. Both cameras are exceptional in their own right, catering to different needs and budgets. We hope this comparison has been helpful in your decision-making process. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment telling us which camera you prefer, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more camera reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.